Japan is a country where ancient traditions coexist harmoniously with cutting-edge technology. It's a fascinating destination that offers something special for everyone, but planning a trip for the first time can feel overwhelming. From figuring out paperwork and transportation to understanding local etiquette, the process can be daunting. But worry not. This guide will walk through everything needed for a smooth, enjoyable experience in Japan. All tips and recommendations are updated for 2025, ensuring your journey is as convenient and hassle-free as possible. Whether exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo or the tranquil beauty of Kyoto, this guide will help make your trip unforgettable. Section 1. Preparing for your trip. To make your arrival in Japan as seamless as possible, it's highly recommended to complete the entry process through the Visit Japan website before your trip. This step will allow you to fill out personal information, travel details, hotel bookings, flight numbers, and the purpose of your visit online. Once completed, a QR code will be generated for each family member. Make sure to save screenshots of these codes on your phone for easy access at Immigration and Customs. Having these codes ready will significantly speed up the process upon arrival. If you haven't completed this process online, don't worry. Paper-based procedures are still available, but they do take more time. To avoid unnecessary delays, it's better to complete the online process before departure. Japan's efficient public transportation system is a blessing, but it also means that traveling light makes everything easier. Opting for carry-on luggage instead of large suitcases will help navigate crowded trains and buses more comfortably. For those who plan on shopping, bringing a collapsible duffel bag is a smart choice. You can fill it up with souvenirs and unique items during your trip, and then check it in on your flight back home. Additionally, Japan offers convenient luggage delivery services, such as Yamato, recognizable by its logo of a cat carrying another cat. These services allow you to send your luggage ahead to your hotel or airport, minimizing the hassle of dragging heavy bags around. This service usually costs around 2,800 yen, about $15 per bag. Section 2. Arriving in Japan. Japan has two main international airports, Narita Airport, NRT, and Haneda Airport, EHND. Haneda Airport is much closer to central Tokyo, making it a popular choice for most travelers as it saves time and simplifies the transportation process to the city. Meanwhile, Narita Airport, located further from Tokyo, compensates for its distance with a wider selection of duty-free shops and souvenir options, making it an excellent choice for those departing from Japan. When choosing between the two, travelers should consider flight availability, cost, and personal preference. While flights to Haneda are generally more expensive due to its convenience, Narita flights are often cheaper but require longer travel times to reach central Tokyo. The airport layout is divided into two main levels, each catering to different traveler needs. The ground level provides essential services such as food options, pocket Wi-Fi rentals, taxi services, bus ticket counters, car rentals, ATMs, and English-speaking information booths. Meanwhile, the underground level is where travelers can find travel centers, IC card purchase points, ticket machines for express and local trains, charge stations, and other transit-related services. Understanding the airport layout can save valuable time and reduce stress after a long flight. Section 3. Transportation from the airport. The limousine bus is a convenient and comfortable option for reaching central Tokyo, offering air-conditioned buses with reclining seats and charging ports on some routes. It connects major train stations like Shibuya and Shinjuku, making it ideal for families or travelers with large luggage. As bags are handled by staff, tickets can be purchased at kiosks or counters upon arrival. Express trains provide a faster alternative to local trains, making fewer stops and quickly reaching central Tokyo. Tickets are available at kiosks, and passengers need to keep their tickets for exiting the station. Local trains are the most affordable choice, though they stop at every station along the way. This option suits travelers heading to non-major stations or those wanting to save money. IC cards like Suica or Pasmo can be used for convenient access. Taxis and Uber offer door-to-door convenience, but can be expensive from Narita Airport. They are more reasonably priced from Haneda Airport due to its proximity to the city. Taxis are especially useful for groups or those with heavy luggage, providing a hassle-free experience to your hotel. Section 4. Staying connected and managing money. Staying connected is essential for navigation and accessing local information. International phone plans can be unreliable and costly. Pocket Wi-Fi is great for small groups, but requires frequent charging, while digital eSIMs offer affordable, reliable coverage even in rural areas. While credit and debit cards are widely accepted in major cities like Tokyo and Osaka, Japan is still largely cash-based. It's advisable to always carry some cash, especially in rural areas and smaller establishments. IC cards like Suica and Pasmo in Tokyo or Aigahaka in Osaka are versatile and convenient for transportation, convenience stores, and some restaurants. Section 5. Using the Japan Rail Pass, JR Pass. The Japan Rail Pass offers unlimited travel on specific JR lines and Shinkansen for 1, 2, or 3 weeks, making it a popular choice for tourists traveling long distances across Japan. However, prices increased by 60% in October 2023, so it's only worth purchasing for those planning multiple long-distance trips. Tickets can be bought online or from third-party vendors before arrival, and must be exchanged for physical tickets at JR Travel Service Centers upon arrival. Section 6. Navigating public transport and using IC cards. IC cards are a must-have for tourists traveling around Japan. These multi-use cards are incredibly convenient, allowing you to pay for transportation, food, and shopping without carrying cash. Suica and Pasmo are the most common cards in Tokyo, while Ikalka is popular in Osaka. The best part? They are valid for up to 10 years, making them ideal for repeat visitors. You can easily recharge IC cards at kiosks found in train stations or convenience stores. Additionally, mobile-compatible versions are available for iPhones and select Android devices, allowing you to integrate the card into your smartphone for even greater convenience. Tips for using JR Pass. The JR Pass is perfect for intercity travel on JR lines and Shinkansen. However, it cannot be used for local subway lines operated by non-JR companies. Make sure to retrieve your pass after inserting it into ticket gates to avoid losing it. Section 7. Convenience stores, konbini, and etiquette. Japan's convenience stores, or konbini, are a lifesaver for tourists. The most popular chains include 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson, each offering unique specialties. 7-Eleven is known for its ATM services and fresh snacks. Family Mart excels at hot foods and desserts, while Lawson often features ready-to-eat meals and seasonal delicacies. Trash handling. Public trash cans are surprisingly rare in Japan. Therefore, it's wise to carry a small plastic bag for personal trash and dispose of it properly when you find a suitable bin. Cultural etiquette. Respectful behavior is essential in Japan. Keep your voice down in public spaces, especially on trains. Eating and drinking while walking is generally frowned upon, so try to eat in designated areas. Additionally, remember to remove your shoes when entering traditional buildings or certain dining areas to respect local customs. Section 8. Additional tips and essential information. Onsen etiquette. Japan's hot springs are a relaxing experience, but not all of them allow visitors with tattoos. Research tattoo-friendly onsens in advance to avoid disappointment. Shopping and tax refunds. When making purchases over a certain amount, usually 5,000 yen or more, you can receive a 10% tax refund. Make sure to present your passport at the counter to get this benefit. Translation apps. Language barriers can be a challenge, but apps like Google Translate and Papago are great for simplifying communication. Download them before your trip to enhance your travel experience. Emergency care. In case of illness, visit urgent care centers early in the day for quicker service. Also, be prepared to pay in cash, as not all clinics accept credit cards. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid. To make your trip smooth and enjoyable, avoid these common mistakes: not having enough cash, especially in rural areas where cards aren't widely accepted. Assuming credit cards are accepted everywhere. Traveling with oversized luggage without reserving space on Shinkansen. Not preparing alternative internet options in case your primary method fails. We hope this guide has made planning your 2025 Japan trip much easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable tips to enhance your experience in Japan. Enjoy your journey and embrace the beautiful culture and traditions this amazing country has to offer.